Hello friends, I'm Dr. Nilanjana Dev, retina and glaucoma specialist at Smart Vision Eye Hospital. Today we are in the midst of a national and global crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and I would like to share with you some important information as to how to take care of your eyes. We are currently providing only emergency care at our hospital. Emergency includes any history of blurring of vision or sudden loss of vision, history of any redness, watering discharge, and presence of headache associated with nausea, vomiting, etc. If you have complaints like this, please contact the hospital and take a prior appointment. If you have been given an appointment, please be sure to follow certain guidelines. Please restrict the number of attendants to only one and bring as less documents as possible. Compulsorily wear a mask, use hand sanitizers, maintain social distancing, and if you have any cough or fever, please inform the clinic in advance so that we can take additional safety precautions. For glaucoma patients who are using medications continuously, it is very important to stock on your medications. In case certain particular brand is not available, please contact your ophthalmologist for substitutes. But please do not discontinue your medications even for a single day. In case the pharmacy stocks are limited, the medications may not be available, so please don't wait till the last minute for getting the medicines. During the lockdown period, most of us are mostly using the mobiles and laptops very often, and we are reading newspapers and books very often. So these lead to a lot of dryness in the eyes. And especially during the summer season, we are using the fans and the ACs, and use of glaucoma medications also cause a lot of dryness. So these kind of features cause a lot of itching and redness in the eyes. Be very careful not to rub the eyes and avoid unnecessary contact with the eyes, because this can lead to infections. And so use the lubricating drops very often, and patients who are wearing contact lenses can switch over to glasses if necessary. Patients who have diabetes have higher risk of contracting the COVID-19 infections. So in those patients, be careful to maintain your blood sugar, because in this period there is a risk of the blood sugar going out of control due to increased stress levels, reduced physical activity, diet alterations, and reduced access to medical care. So please do the home monitoring of blood sugar more often. If your physician advises any influenza or pneumonia vaccine, please take it. And in cases the patient has any diabetic retinopathy, the blood sugar is well controlled, there is nothing to worry. But if the patient complains of any new symptoms like floaters or sudden loss of vision, contact your ophthalmologist immediately for an appointment. Patients who have coexisting renal or heart disease require special attention and may contact their physicians accordingly. So these are troubling times, difficult times, but we are at your disposal for any help, any suggestion. So please do take care, stay at home, stay safe, and all these points which I mentioned is also summarized in a slide. Thank you very much. Take care.